Assalamu alaikum. Myself Shiza Kaurin.
Assalamu alaikum. Myself Qariya Maryam.
Assalamu alaikum. Myself Maryam Khanam.
We are studying 7th standard. That is my batch 2024-2025. Today we are going to demonstrate electromagnetic crane. What is electromagnetic crane? An electromagnetic crane is a specialized type of crane that uses an electromagnet to lift and move heavy objects, particularly like iron and steel.
What is electromagnet? An electromagnet is a type of magnet that generates a magnetic field and an electric current flows through it. Unlike a permanent magnet, can be turned on and off by the controlling the current.
Working principle of electromagnetic crane. The crane is equipped with a powerful electromagnet which is activated when an electric current flows through it, creating a strong magnetic field. This allows it to attract and hold iron and steel materials. When the current of the magnetic field disappears and the materials or load is released.
Main components: electromagnet. Electromagnetic generates a magnetic field to the object. Power supply provides to electricity to activate an electromagnet.
Control system allow operator to switch the magnet on off. Advantages: it reduces manual labor and increase safety. It works efficiently of handling of heavy metal objects. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.